Very windy, it's starting to rain, so we're actually gonna turn around because it seems like the weather is getting worse. As you can see, you can't even see the mountains.
No, but you can see the sign. We're at classified falls, over 800 feet high, elevation 5,200.
Yeah, it's pretty wild out here.
Yeah, what's your thought about this?
So I'm in textiles. I am freezing right now. Pretty wet. The road itself is stunning, but it's very trafficy. And of course now we're blind, so it doesn't even matter. But the road itself is stunning. I would love to come back here and do this again. Some of the most gorgeous overlooks I've seen in a while.